When I got home, I found nobody. So I need to take care of my dinner. For ordinary home meal, we do not cook too many dishes. Instead, we just scrap some of the side dishes we already cooked from the refrigerator, and we get some fresh steamed rice, and then we eat our daily meal. Let's check our refrigerator to see what we have. Okay, this is our the small refrigerator. So we have this is pickled onion and garlic stem, and this is a reddish leaf kimchi that I made maybe a week ago. And this is okay, let's see. What do we have? And I think I need the red pepper paste, gochujang. So let's open it. My primary side dish is reddish leaf kimchi, and another one is my mom's cooking. Yes, this is garlic stem plus onion, and this is my grandma made gochujang, red pepper paste. And last one is just a maybe some of the leftover vegetables with gochujang and red pepper powder seasoning. This is a little bit pickled. So today I'm going to make some bibimbap with this three main side dishes plus gochujang, and I'm going to cook egg fry. Just a pinch of salt. I love a crispy texture, that's why I baked a little bit of the bottom like this. And now I'm going to get my rice. Just cooked rice, steamed rice, and I'm going to get my portion. Maybe 1, 2 and a half. This will be enough for my bibimbap today. Now let's see how to make today's bibimbap. I'm going to put my reddish leaf kimchi, maybe a spoon full or more, maybe a little more, like this, and garlic stem and pickled onion, like this, just to pour. Yeah, very easy. When you make a bibimbap, you don't have to worry about the side dishes and ingredients, because so whatever you put on top of the rice, it is a bibimbap. So very simple. Yeah, that's how Koreans eat their bibimbap. Now I'm going to scrape all the vegetables here. Some carrots, cucumber, and spring onion. Oh, I have some of the whelk here. Discard the juice and scrape all the things here. Yep. Okay, this is a good combination of all side dishes. Plus I need a half a spoon of gochujang, the red pepper paste. This is super yummy. This is really nice. And it looks so beautiful. And again, final touch with, not final touch, a touch with, yeah, fried egg. And yes, finally, I need to make a touch with the special ingredients. Special sauce is sesame oil. Just pour like this, and that's it. It looks so fancy, but the reality is a little bit weird and a little bit, clunky. Let me show you what is the reality of the bibimbap. First step is to break the egg yolk plus egg whites, and then I'm going to mix everything like this. Yes. As you can see here, some of the ingredients are very big, so then you cannot carry with your spoon like this. So that's why at this moment we need Korean's favorite kitchen tool, kitchen scissors. These scissors will break all the big chunks of the vegetables here, so it's really easy. Just cut everything into small pieces. Yes, this is the reality of Korean home meal and Korean bibimbap. Yeah, trust me, this is real. Every time I eat my bibimbap, I always try to cut ingredients like this. Even when you go to some barbecue restaurant, so they make some kimchi fried rice with leftover the beef or porks, and when they make their kimchi fried rice on the plate, they always use the clerks, the waiter or waitress always use their kitchen scissors like this, and they cut everything into small pieces. It's almost done. Yeah, scrape from the bottom and keep going like this. Yeah, and now bibimbap is finished. Yeah, this is the reality of a bibimbap. So now you can carry all the ingredients on your spoon like this. Very simple. Like this. Yeah, this is a real bibimbap. So I love this very much. Okay, time for eating. Very delicious. finished my dinner.